We have Prakash Gaba joining us. Prakash, an attempt to recover, but do you think it will be faced with some hurdle on the way up?
Well, good afternoon to you. Yes, Mangalam looks like there should be a hurdle here. There's reason for it. On Tuesday, we saw a massive up move. What did we see yesterday? An inside day. A day within Tuesday. We are seeing today, again, an inside day of an inside day. So there's some kind of contraction building up here. So I feel this Nifty and Bank Nifty looks like there's a hurdle up there. Support on Nifty is at 7,500. That's crucial. And if that goes, Nifty goes. Will it happen today? I don't know. Will it happen on Monday? Possibly. But it looks like Monday could be a trending day, either up or down. So far, looks like we have run up too fast. We are holding it. And we need a fresh breath of air to take it up. If it doesn't happen, we are sliding.
Okay. So, we were just discussing individual stocks, right? There are plenty of auto stocks that have hit fresh highs today, Prakash, whether it's Escorts, M&M, Ashok Leyland. Anything that you're spotting where there could be incremental upsides?
Certainly, yes. I'll start with Escorts. Escorts certainly is looking good to me. You've seen a good 4 days of an up move and is still trending up. It's trading at 2074. The next logical technical target should be around 2100. I think it's going there. Stop below 2050 on Escorts should be fine. There should be some money to be made on the long side on Escorts. Second play is again, I would say Bharat Forge, indirect play on auto, looking good to me. Bharat Forge, momentum is strong. I like the chart structure, higher time frame. I saw the correction. The correction is looking good. Up move is started in Bharat Forge on a higher time frame, on a medium term time frame. Even in intraday looks good to me. Trading at 764. Can it go to 780? Yes, it can go. Maybe take a day or two for that. Looks like Bharat Forge is heading there. Where do I have a stop? Maybe around 755. Bharat Forge as well.
Right, this week, Prakash, was also the week for a lot of these media stocks to be in focus. Yesterday Z was among the top losers, etc. But as we speak, Sun TV is the one which has now moved to the high point of trade. Do you think there's some momentum on this, or maybe it's just one of those flashes in the pan that we're seeing on this counter?
Sun TV was on my chart. Certainly is looking good. I like the momentum. It looks like the way it's trading is trading at 513 now. Possibly it can climb to 530 zone, Sun TV. Just have a stop somewhere below the level of 505 on Sun TV and trade long. It's looking good, certainly.
Okay, well, some news on SpiceJet. Sources have told CNBC-TV18 that SpiceJet will receive around 225 crores next week as part of the government's credit guarantee scheme. It will use this money to clear a lot of its statutory dues and lesser payments. Remember, recently the CFO Sanjeev Taneja has resigned as well, and a new CFO, we understand, will join as early as next week. SpiceJet has been under a lot of pressure in the last 1 year, and especially after the numbers came out where there were steep losses that the company reported. The auditor as well said that the results have cast significant doubts about the company's ability to continue as a going concern. So now fundraising is definitely the need of the hour, and perhaps something is coming on board very soon. A quick word on this. Technically, it's been under pressure for a while, SpiceJet, but at 45, how does the risk reward look for a trade?
Well, when I look at the chart structure of a high time frame on SpiceJet, it doesn't look good to me. It looks like a hard landing out here and it's traded somewhere closer to 35. Can it survive here? Possibly it can. For that, it needs to cross a very crucial mark of 50. So unless it crosses 50, I'm not very bullish on Spice. It may continue to be sluggish. It could trade sideways. It could be sideways and bearish bias. But for me to buy, I need to see to it that it needs to cross 50. Unless it happens, I think it's weak, SpiceJet. Possibly it may form a base here, but the confirmation is missing on SpiceJet.
All right, Prakash, finally, before we let you go, any other stock picks that you've laid out for us today?
Yeah, I think I like United Breweries. That looks good to me. Yes, certainly 1680 is a good strong support zone to work with. Give some time and space. Possibly we'll see 1720 zones there. All
right, United Breweries is what you're looking at. I think it's just the stock and not the product.
But it's okay. I mean, he can look at the product.
He can look at the product as well. But, yeah, most definitely. I mean, so what are you looking at, the product or the stock, or both?
Both, absolutely fine.
All right, Prakash. Thanks a lot for joining in.